So hi guys, for today's video is Father's Day. So mag-celebrate tayo konti. So yung ginagawa ko ngayon is nagmarinate ako ng pork to. Ito yung pork barbecue, ito yung bangus na isda. Minarinate ko na yan kanina. Tapos yung blue mackerel. Tapos may lamb pa rin ako dito, lulutuin ko to. Yan, magluto pa ako ng lamb. So, marami tayong pagkain. Ngayon, tapos, may na ako doon, nagumpisa na ako ng, charcoal barbecue, so nandoon. Gaso-aso na dyan. I-check lang natin kunti kung gumana ba bago ako mag-prepare sa ruslam ng asawa ko. Uy, yung pusa nandito sa Muki. Uy, scared. Yung dalawang pusa nandoon. Asan naman si Charlie? Nawala man si... nandoon pala si Charlie. Yun. Yan si Charlie. So, ito yung natin, yung barbecue natin. Parang, ay, okay pa pala dyan. Kasi wala ako masyadong charcoal. So, yan na lang. Nagbumili ako ng charcoal ito. Hit beads. Siya? $14 yata yun. Wala man sale. Kasi yan na lang yung una natira sa fireplace. Hi, Carlo. Ito pala si Carlo. Ito pala si Carlo. Yung gwapong-gwapo namin pusa. Yung anak ko nandoon kumakain. Hi, Bob. Tapos ito, nilagay ko lang dyan kasi binili namin ito kahapon para sa birthday ng anak ko. Piniprepare ko lang. So, affordable nga table. Tapos chair. Nag-sell itong chair sa Bunnings. So, binili ko para hinay-hinay lang ba? Hinay-hinay lang para ma-ready sa sa birthday niya. Yung pusa namin. Nilalabas namin yan sila sa labas pag nandito din kami sa labas. Pero pag sa loob kami, dinala din namin yan kasi hindi naman sila aalis. So, mag-umpisa na tayo magluto kasi ang dami tayong gagawin. I-chop-chop tayo ng mga vegetables, ano pa. Ito, pumpkin para sa roast dinner ng asawa ko. Oh, ayan. So, nilagay ko na yung roast lamb sa pot. Brown na siya. Kasi ilagay natin ito mamaya sa oven. Tapos na din ako ng potato dito. Ilagay natin sa oven. Tapos yung mga green vegetables natin nandito. Tapos yung kapatid ko pala gumising. So nandito yung naluto ko siya sa barbecue. Nandun na siya sa labas. Silang dalawang anak ko. Yung oras na ba? 5 o'clock na pala. Malapit na dinner time. Layo pa tayo matapos. So yung technique pala nito sa masarap na roast potato. Para madali siyang ma-crunchy. Ay, mainit. Ganito yung style ko. Para siyang na-mash-mash kunti. Hindi siya masyadong luto. Tapos, lagyan na natin ng itong all-purpose seasoning. Yan na yung nilalagay ko. Kaya naman, ito rin ang lagay na dito sa Pero madali na siyang i-roast. Crunchy-crunchy na siya. Masarap. Yan ang paborito ng sarap. Maganda na. Sarap na ito. Yan lang ilagay ko. Lagyan lang ng pang green oregano leaves pang palasa. Sprinkle. It's my own version. Tingnan natin ha. Sarap na yan. Herbs. Meron pa dito. Bag?
No.
Daming mga herbs dyan. Meron pa dyan. Tanim-tanim. What you talking about? You want scissors or something? Tingnan muna natin itong roast. Lagyan natin yan sa oven mamaya. Looks yummy, Baba?
Looks yummy.
Oh, looks yummy. What about the barbecue? It's cooking it?
Yeah, it's getting...
Okay. Is that from the garden?
Yeah.
Oh, you get it from here. Ayun, ang ganda-ganda ng bulaklak. Wow, this is very nice.
Smell it, Mom. It
Miring!
smells very nice.
It smells like my utot.
No, smell it.
Let me smell it. Oh, yeah, smell nice.
Dahil kung ganun dahil sis, luto na. Oh, wait,
Yeah, looks like cook. Masarap. Baboy barbecue. Smoke. Ang gandang weather today sa barbecue. Saan na ba yung sulanan?
This one, this small one.
Kiss, kiss, kiss the miring. Kiss, kiss, kiss the miring. Kiss. Ito lang. Something na. Uy, don't play. Here's her bum hole. Ito, Minnie. She's listening. She's listening. She's listening outside. And the other one here. Hello, old fart. Galo. Tingnan natin yung luto natin dito sa loob. May naluluto sa loob, may naluluto sa labas. Depende. Very fresh na broccoli. At saka Brussels sprouts. Yum yum. Doon, ang ganda ng sunset doon. Oh, Day, nino kay sunset, Day. Naman sunset o nindot kaayo. Barbecue man siya dito. Saan na human na barbecue? Wala pa rin. Itong isda. Wala pa na mag-barbecue. Kapay duwa kadag kong isda lutoon. May dalawang pang isdang lulutuin. Ganda ng sunset. Ang ganda ng kulay, Bob. Bob!
What?
Very nice color.
Yeah. It's better to go outside.
Better to go outside. Gumagawa siya ng kay pinagawa ko siya ng banana bread. Kasi ang daming bread. Ang daming banana. Tingnan natin sa labas, Bi. Hello, Miring!
Oi, move!
Kabang!
Then look at the isda. It looks like dead.
What did you do with the fish?
Warning.
It's too hot. It's too hot.
No, it's not too hot. The fire caught the fish.
Oh, well, we got more fish here anyway.
No, it's alright.
Pork.
Is this cooked now?
Wala, very nice sunset na kanindot. Maybe it's cooked now.
Maybe.
This one you put the fish. Oh, ilagay mo yung isda dyan. Ibutang dyan ang pabaw.
Not that pretty now.
Oh, not that pretty na. So, kay Father's Day man ron, magluto ta sa paborito ng asawa ko. So, ito yung ano, banana cake with walnuts. Tapos, ito yung kapatid ko, paborito niya din. Tapos, bake tayo ng vegetables dito. Agoy, sobrang init. Tingnan natin, malapit na yata ito maluto. Ay, ang ganda na. Luto na yan. Ito yung carrots, kapampinos. Luto na yan. Oh, ganda oh. Natin yung ano, yung cake para maluto na rin. Pang dessert, puli man yan.
Is accusing the Australian Navy of troublemaking and provocation over a ship in the sensitive Taiwan.
Hindi na natin ito kasi luto na ito.
Joining Canada, the Philippines, and
Init.
in a coordinated military exercise.
Sobrang init. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Preheated na siya. So, maganda itong pagkaluto na cake. 20 degrees. Yan, tama na yan. Happy Father's Day, babe. You have so much food today.
Feast. Father's Day feast.
Father's Day feast, yeah. Gravy, lamb, vegetables, dinner time. Fish this, fish.
Yeah, man.
Yum, yum. More fish. Too many fish. Pork. Kain na tayo. So, luto na yung cake natin. May pagkain pa dito. Nakatapos lang namin kumain. So, nag-bake kasi ako ng cake. So, ito. Yung anak ko pala nag-ano dito. Kasi tinuruan ko siya. So, yung recipe ko to. Tapos tinuruan ko siya. So, ito yung almond. Ay, parang masarap. Tingnan nyo. Wow. Ito yung almond cake. Tapos, yung isa, plain lang siya na banana cake. Ang ganda-ganda tingnan. Ayan. Ganda-ganda tingnan. So, mag-slice tayo. So, mag-slice tayo ng cake. Ha?
Is the cream there?
It's on the top, no? So, ito, oh. Ito yung plain. So, mag-slice tayo kasi yung kapatid ko mas gusto.
Why did it crumble here?
Mas gusto niya yung plain cake. Ito yung walnuts. Ang mahal-mahal ng walnuts dito. Napaso ako ng sakit-sakit.
I don't think it's here. You sure you don't have it there?
No? Tralalilo, tralala, sung sung sing, sung sung sung. Mas Jessica sung. Yun mo, ganda oh. Ganda-ganda. So, mag-slice tayo nito. Paborito ng asawa ko at anak ko.
Where is it from?
So it look good, man. Yeah. Yeah, use your eyes, not your mouth. Yeah. See? Okay, you can put, Bob. You can decorate it.
So perfect.
Yeah. Okay, you can put. Oh my God. Uy, 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 uy. Uy, 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 uy. Parang sarap-sarap.
Walnuts and banana cake. And then
Oh, yum, yum. Sarap oh. Parang sarap-sarap tingnan talaga. Food is life.
oh, this strawberry is so cute.
Sung sung sing, sung sang sung sung. Like, Bibingka.
It's not bibingka. I want the strawberry.
Look like bibingka. Ah, it's too hot. Ang init. Ito plain. Oh, para sa kapatid ko. Ito, bigyan natin ha kung anong ilalaman natin dito. Say hi, Bob. Hi. Ito yun. Oh, tanan mo. Yung walnuts. Ang sarap-sarap talaga nito. Tapos may strawberry. Tapos lagyan ng bola. Kalop.
Dollop.
Oh, yun ang ganda. Oh. Nalagyan ng cream. Lagyan ng cream.
No.
Ipot cream, Bob.
Oh, I want this one.
What do you mean?
I don't want the walnut one. How come you buy this very?
Okay. It's alright. You just cut one.
It's on sale. It's only $3.
I just put it back. You see? Nothing changed.
Oh, this looks so good.
Okay, you want this, huh? You want this?
Look.
Oh my goodness. Food is life. Oh, okay, this is your one.
That's too big.
Don't worry. It's Christmas.
This one.
Mali Griselda eat that. Okay,
Where's my one?
Put the decoration, one each. One for me and uncle, your uncle.
Maybe we should cut the strawberry. Like the green part.
Up to you. Okay.
Carlo here.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Monkey. Come on.
Cream. Maybe.
I don't know. Put her one. That's your one.
Yeah, just put that. That's too big.
Oh, that's not big. It's only small. Okay. Make it nice. Oh.
Tay.
Oh, wow. Very pretty. Oh. Oh. Brata eh.
Beautiful. Maganda. Maganda.
Oh, nice. Ah, get a fork. I take a picture, babe.
Maganda. Umaga. Maganda tayo.
I take a picture. Ano? Look nice ba? This is your dad? Other one. Oh. Where's your one?
They can made it this way.
Put another one here so I love you.
Where?
For your dad. Put your one as and you give it to him because
Where?
you're the daughter. Yeah, that one. It means I love you, Dad. Yeah, see?
It looked better before.
No, just leave it like that. It's nice. Oh, see, very pretty. Look, wait, I'll take a picture. Okay, that's it. I go there. Dessert time! Miring wants to eat.
Yeah, Father's Day.
Father's Day cake, babe.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day.
Thank you. Wow, nice cake. Yeah.
Jessica made that
Homemade.
Jessica made the whole thing.
You made that
I
one.
made that one this time.
Yeah.
You put, yeah, you did. Very nice.
Yeah, let me know if it's nice. Taste it first.
Oh, I can't eat it in front of the camera.
Hurry up. You have to eat the strawberry.
And the cream.
Trying to eat it, get on the fork.
Nice? That's good. Nice, Bob.
Very
What about you? You want to eat cake, Smoke? Oh, you're so pretty. My good. Oh. You want to eat cake? Kiss, be? Okay. Kain tayo ng ano? Smokey want some cake, Bob.
Strawberry. Yeah, this.
Smokey want some cake. Let me taste the Jessica's cake, okay? Just the plain one. Nice. Same. Thank you for watching.